to my channel. If you are new, please press that subscribe button, it would mean the absolute world to me. So this is a Cherryz haul. I can't remember how much each of the items cost, so I'm just going to put that in once I edit the video. For now, I'm just going to go through and show you what I bought. I picked up some Astonished bathroom cleaner, this nice big bottle, 750ml. So yeah, this is just going to be used for cleaning the bathroom. And to go with that, I got some of these sponge scourers, just again for cleaning, for washing the pots, yeah, those sort of things. I got some snacks. I'm going to start with this Brita Sport cornflake one. My dad used to buy me these chocolates when I was younger, but I've never had the one with cornflakes in, so I'm just a bit intrigued and I really can't wait to try this. I picked up a bag of the Haribo Jelly Babies. These are just something that me and Dan like, so we can share them while watching a movie or something. Next one is the Swizzles Drumstick and Chocolate. I was just really intrigued by this. I like the drumstick lollies, but then with chocolate, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be nice, but I'm willing to give it a go. The next one is a Milka with caramel. I have tried the smaller bars of these, and these are really tasty, so I know I'm going to enjoy this one. The last chocolate bar that I picked up is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Honeycomb and Nut. Obviously I like honeycomb and I like nuts and I like chocolate, so yeah, I think this one could be a real winner. Moving on to beauty and healthcare, I picked up some Huggies baby wipes. These are just really handy. Sometimes I carry them in my bag when we're walking the dog or going out on long walks and picnics. I just chuck them into my bag, and then if I need to wipe my hands, I've got these. I picked up the Jones & Co Professional Styling hair colouring brush and bowl set. So I did dye my hair, and I didn't have any of these brushes, so it was a bit awkward. So I was like, next time I'm going to actually use one of these and see if I find it a bit easier. So yeah, I got one of these for when I am going to dye my hair. I picked up some cotton buds. They're just a bit of like an essential in our house. Just one of them that needed replacing, so I picked it up. I also got some Dove Nourishing Secrets hand cream. This one is with coconut oil and almond milk for dry skin. So I just really like to have hand cream. I find that my hands do sometimes get a bit dry, especially with all this extra hand washing, so I needed some more and I picked this one up. I wanted a cheap scent, a cheap everyday perfume, so I just went with this Love Island Mai Tai body mist, and I'll use this for work or nipping out with the dog. It does smell alright, it's very peachy. So the last thing for health and beauty is the banana conditioner. So I tried the strawberry one and I really liked it, so I just wanted to try the XHC banana one. So I've got a few things for the home. I've got a silicone straw and a straw cleaner. I actually wanted this just for the tiny little brush, just to help me get into some nooks and crannies when I am cleaning my house, like cleaning the washing machine. So yeah, I'm not really that bothered about the straw, I just wanted the little cleaning brush. And since I was doing this haul on my own this time, I picked up some new cups. These have got cherries on them, and I went all out. I picked up 3 different varieties of the Cherryz cups. So I've got this nice red one with the cherries on, the blue one with the cherries, and the stripy one with the cherries. So I absolutely love mugs. I don't know what it is, but I just love new mugs. So yeah, I can now swap my mugs around and put some more summery ones up on the shelf to use. Then I went to the stationery. I got another notebook with matching pen. I just thought this was a really nice design, and I love notebooks. I love a list, I love writing stuff down and never ticking it off, but yeah, I just love stationery. And I also got a shopping list, a magnetic one, so it can stick to the fridge, with the same design around the outside. So those are the bits of stationery that I picked up, and I'm super happy with them. And the last items that I got are these bottle lights. I got them in clear and I got some in like multicoloured lights. So when you put it inside your bottle, it's going to look like a cork. And I don't know which ones these are. These are just the clear ones. They are so bright. So bright. So yeah, I think they're going to look really, really good. So that is everything that I got in this Cherryz haul. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've watched this video till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!